Discover the complete professional guide to installing swimming pool ceramic tiles step by step. In this video, we cover everything from preparing the pool surface, choosing the right adhesive, precise tile placement, leveling techniques, cutting tiles for corners and edges, to grouting and finishing touches. Learn expert tips and tricks to avoid common mistakes and achieve a flawless, long-lasting finish. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the basics or a professional seeking advanced techniques, this tutorial provides all the knowledge you need to make your pool not only functional but visually stunning. Follow along and transform your pool with perfectly installed ceramic tiles that will last for years. In this step-by-step tutorial, we also explain how to handle challenging areas like pool corners, steps, and curves, ensuring each tile fits perfectly. You'll learn how to measure accurately, cut tiles precisely, and apply adhesives evenly to prevent bubbles or uneven surfaces. We cover the importance of proper curing time and sealing techniques to protect your tiles from water damage, chlorine, and weather conditions. Additionally, we share professional tips on cleaning excess grout, maintaining tile alignment, and achieving a polished finish that enhances the overall look of your pool. By following this guide, you'll gain the confidence and skills to take on any pool tiling project, making your space both safe and visually impressive. Don't miss these insider techniques that professionals use to deliver flawless results every time. This comprehensive guide also highlights the tools and materials you will need for a successful pool tile installation, from high-quality adhesives, trowels, spacers, and levels, to tile cutters and polishing tools. We explain how to choose the right type of ceramic tiles for your pool based on durability, slip resistance, and aesthetic appeal. You'll see how to plan your layout for a balanced and symmetrical design, including handling patterns, borders, and accents that enhance the pool's visual appeal. Moreover, we provide maintenance tips to keep your pool tiles looking new for years, including proper cleaning methods and how to deal with minor repairs or cracks. With these professional insights, you'll be able to complete your pool tiling project efficiently, confidently, and with a flawless finish that impresses everyone. In addition, this tutorial emphasizes safety and efficiency throughout the pool tiling process. We cover how to protect yourself while handling adhesives, cutting tiles, and working around wet surfaces. You'll learn time-saving techniques that ensure consistent results without compromising quality. The video also shares troubleshooting tips for common issues such as uneven surfaces, misaligned tiles, or grout discoloration, helping you avoid costly mistakes. By following this full guide, you will not only achieve a beautiful and professional-looking pool, but also gain valuable knowledge that can be applied to any future tiling projects, whether it's for residential pools, commercial spaces, or decorative water features. With attention to detail, proper preparation, and expert techniques, your pool will become a stunning centerpiece that combines durability, safety, and aesthetic perfection. Finally, this step-by-step guide also explains how to achieve long-term durability for your pool tiles by using the right sealing techniques and maintenance routines. We discuss how environmental factors like sunlight, pool chemicals, and temperature changes can affect tile adhesion and appearance, and how to prevent these issues. You'll also learn professional tips for enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your pool, such as combining colors, textures, and patterns to create a unique and elegant design. By following all the instructions in this video, you can transform your pool area into a luxurious and inviting space that not only functions perfectly, but also looks stunning. This guide is designed to give you the confidence to tackle any pool tiling project with precision, efficiency, and expert-level results. making your swimming pool a beautiful centerpiece for your home or property. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to see the complete transformation of the pool and witness how perfectly the ceramic tiles are installed. We guide you through every single step, from preparation to the final polish, so you won't miss any important details. Following this tutorial will give you the confidence to handle even the most challenging pool tiling projects with ease and precision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides on tiling, marble, terrazzo, Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to see the complete notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos and never miss a chance to learn new techniques. We guide you through every single step, from preparation to the final polish, so you won't miss any important details. Following this tutorial will give you the confidence to handle even the most challenging pool tiling projects with ease and precision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides on tiling, marble, terrazzo, and other home improvement projects. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos and never miss a chance to learn new techniques that can make your projects look professional and flawless.
كنتيش تعاوني على ذوك الموضوع.
لا انا لا
هذاك اللي باع لي الخط هو اللي
هو راه قال لي غادي ندير واحد ديكور، غادي نصور لك واحد ديكور زوين، ولكن ما شرحش ليا. انا ملي شفت هذا الشيء هذا قلت واحد البرينت هذا واش هذا كيتفلى علينا.